we are going to take a look at how we can publish directly from VS Code to GitHub. So first, we'll go ahead and create a new Angular project that we want to share in a public repository on GitHub. So we'll go ahead and type ng new share, and we'll let that generate like that. Okay, now we're completely generated, so we'll go ahead and cd share, and we'll open it up in VS Code. And now we have an initialized Git project. So we can go ahead and go to the Git tab here, and then we'll hit Publish Branch, and we'll select GitHub Public Repository. And it's going to tell us that it's publishing to GitHub, and then we can open it up on GitHub, and there it is. And that's all there is to it. It's actually that simple. Now, the first time I did this, it did ask me to log into my GitHub account. So if you're doing it for the first time, you're going to be asked to log in. But after that, it'll just be automatic the way we just showed you. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and please like and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next one.